Dear students, in this video, I will tell you how you can uninstall any application in Windows 10. I will show you two methods. In the first method, you have to type in the search bar the application you want to uninstall. Then simply click on Uninstall here. There are preferences and the location setting. Here, you have to uninstall Punit ni Pori here, the Ancese, out app, installation kit, and here, a verification, Lance under favor, and here, you have to come to add, remove settings. Now here, you have to click on apps and select the application you want to uninstall. Click on uninstall and uninstall it. In this video, I have shown you two methods. Hopefully, you found this video tutorial informative. If you did, please like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get this kind of useful content first. And please share this video with your friends as well.